Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Listen to what people are saying about philsgang.com.
I am up 5% right now, closer to 6.
I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
I have never made so much money in the stock market.
I'm up $28,000 since November.
No matter if the markets are up or down, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team put you on the path to making profits in the stock market.
This is Deb from Sarasota.
This is Bill from Miami, Florida.
This is Cora from Hawaii.
Hey, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would recommend Phil and Phil's Gang to anyone.
Join thousands of investors and start making profits in the stock market. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or sign up at philsgang.com. Again, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's philsgang.com. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
The stock market, I just see with all of the ups and downs since Election Day, is up 37% from Election Day. 37%. Now, it did a little bit of a correction. In fact, I started to say, I was in it for like 13, 14 months from election. I say, is this sucker ever going down a little bit? This is a little embarrassing. It was up 100, up 200, up 1,000, up 150, up 90, up 63. I said, good, that's better.
I think it was funny, too.
I think it was stupid. I mean, I'm just telling you. Let's look at it. Let's unpack this.
How would you have acknowledged the obvious, the volatility in the market?
I would say the markets are getting volatile. Remember, they go up and down, but we're here to fix the economy. You don't deal with it. And here's why. The market right now is unknown territory. We don't know what GDP is going to be. The GDP estimates from the White House, which began with Donald Trump saying it's going to be 6%, are now down to something like 3%. This is a fool's game.
Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network, where you get the truth. That's right. It is unbelievable. Now, Trump came out and he tried to make something very bad into something good. What he did, he's trying to make light of it. That remember, this is the guy who said the stock market would never come down again. I mean, it's pretty much, he didn't say that, but pretty close to it. And he was out there every day, tweeting and how great the market is. And I kept saying, no president has ever married the stock market. Because, see, the stock market is not the economy. Even though Varney and all these guys on Fox News and CNBC try to drill into your head that when the stock market's going up, the economy is doing well, and so are you, and you should go out and buy a new car. That's what they try to get into your head. They try to take parking space in your head. They think you sit on the longest stupid bench in the world to believe that.
Look at what's happening now in the economy itself. Not only the job growth, but the sentiment and how people are spending their money. There's a lot of real optimism out there, and it's reflecting in our stock market as well.
See, that's the problem right there. This guy here. This is what's bad about the stock market. These guys. Charles Payne. This is bad. This is stuff they try to sell you every day. The economy's doing great. The economy's doing wonderful. Go out and spend. Really? It's doing well? I don't understand that. If the economy is doing well, then why is it in 2014 we were creating or having job gains, I should say, at least every month of 260,000 jobs? So 260,000 jobs because we had good productivity. Do you know what they are now? 167,000. Why? Because our productivity or our output per labor hour has dropped to 1.8% of an annual rate. This is what they should be talking about. This is what they should be talking about. Our productivity is so anemic. And when you get productivity, again, this anemic, we're not producing enough, and it gets this anemic, it squeezes the profit margins of companies. It squeezes their profit margins. That's the difference between what they sell and what it costs them to buy, and the difference between what they buy it for and sell it to you. That's called the margin, the difference. And you got to live and die by your margins. If I sell hats, I go all over trying to find hats cheaper. I go to China, go everywhere, because I can sell a hat at $10. I can't keep raising my prices. So I keep trying to find a better way to produce that hat cheaper. And the problem is, it's always the same problem, is labor is the highest cost. Labor is what causes inflation, and inflation is a tax. And we had Mnuchin come out last night. I could not believe what I heard. I thought he was joking. I thought he was making a joke. This is how stupid this man is. Listen, what he is saying is that there is no connection between wages and inflation. No connection between higher wages and inflation? Then why do we outsource all our jobs? That is an absolute crazy statement. He's our Treasury Secretary. He said there's no connection between wages, rising wages, and inflation. Rising wages is inflation. Rising minimum wage. Why do you think there's always a battle over rising minimum wages? Everybody fights about raising minimum wages, raising minimum wages. Now, thank God, okay, now the liberals, the real left, the socialists in our country make you think that half the nation, half our workforce, okay, is on minimum wage. Thank God, only 3%. Only 3% of our hourly workers make minimum wage. But raising minimum wage is always a battle, because raising the minimum wage forces a business owner to raise prices. Well, how do you raise prices when wages aren't going up? Our wages are still stuck in what? I don't think we're making any more than we did in 1992. Our wages are absolutely horrible. Matter of fact, I think, and I'll find it later, but we had a terrible wage number. It came out the other day. I'll see if I can find it quickly here for you. But it was just amazing. I just couldn't believe what it was. Where is it? Yeah, wages. Here we go. So on an annual basis, wages have been going up 9 cents in a whole year. In a whole year, your wages went up 9 cents. Don't spend it all in one spot. But if you adjust for inflation, wages are only 10% higher than they were in 1973. They're only 10% higher than in 73. Now, that is pathetic. So what's happening is when you keep on, we want to keep raising these wages, but it's hard to raise wages, because if you do, then you got to increase your product cost. You got to pass it on, and if you pass it on, your customers aren't going to buy as much, and your stores are going to close. It's a tough deal. It's a tough deal. But Mnuchin, again, go back to the subject. There's no connection between wages and inflation. Well, the case, again, here's the proof. Why would anybody be fighting over raising minimum wage? Why would all the owners, especially the food services, the McDonald's, they're the ones to fight? Why would they be they could care less? They should care less. But no, because it's a killer. Because, again, inflation causes prices to increase, which causes wages to increase. Now, here's another thing. If he's so right, Mnuchin's so right, there's no connection. There's no connection between rising wages and inflation. Then why is it? He's the Treasury Secretary. He's the Treasury Secretary. He should be watching this because financial markets, they pay close attention to wages because they are inflationary. He's our Treasury Secretary. What's he looking at? Every Treasury Secretary, that's what they look at every day. They pay so close attention to the wages because they are connected to inflation, and the stock market dropped 2,000 points, went down 10% because of inflation. And that's why you can't get a raise. That's why you can't get a raise because, again, that's why what they do is they outsource your job. Because, see, if your wages are going up more than productivity per person, then companies are losing money. Why do you think they're outsourcing? They outsource because they can't get it. The wages are higher than what it costs to produce. What a stupid statement. We'll be right back. Unbelievable.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
The economy's been doing nicely.
The economy's been doing nicely, they've been telling us. They're saying the yields or your interest rate on your house, 30-year fixed rate mortgage, the interest on our national debt that we have to pay is going up. They're saying because the economy's doing nicely. That is such a lie. Such a lie. The economy is not doing nicely, and that's not the reason why our yields or interest rate is going up. It's going to affect your, if you're going to go buy a house today, you go get a 30-year fixed rate, it's going to affect it. And in fact, the mortgage applications are tumbling because those rates are going up so high. And now the other problem, it is also affecting what we are going to be paying on our $20 trillion national debt. Remember, you better remember this, when it got to 3.7% in 2008 and our national debt was just $10 trillion, the market crashed. We are now pushing 3% and we have a $20 trillion national debt. And I called, as you remember, I called on January 16th when we hit 2.7%. I said we were going to get a correction. I said between then and the 2 weeks of middle of February, and it happened. It happened in January. I was right, because I said as we get closer to that 3%, now that our debt has doubled to 20 trillion, this means that this market is ready for a correction. If we could not handle, the United States of America Treasury could not pay interest rates, afford interest rates of 3.7 on 10 trillion, how the hell can we justify paying 3%, which is going to be probably next week, on 20 trillion? You can't. And this 2,000 point drop, 10%, that was a warning. That was a red flag. That was a red flag that the country is not growing fast enough. Our economy is not growing fast enough. We're not creating jobs fast enough. We're not bringing in enough revenues. We don't have enough people working. And if we have them working, they're working lousy jobs. 60% of the jobs that are created are lousy jobs. Waitress jobs, bartender jobs, health service jobs, where people go in and help older people. This is crazy. So, no, the reason the 10-year Treasury yield is going up higher and higher because we have to keep borrowing more and more money from China. And when you got to keep borrowing more and more money from China, that means they want more interest. Because the more the 10-year Treasury yield goes up, China looks at us as a weaker, we're weak. It's like you go into your bank and you want a loan, and they say, yeah, we're a little sorry here. You don't look too strong. So we're going to want more interest rate because, you're a risk. Why do you think people who go get cars, used cars, who have very poor credit, why do you think they charge them 22%, 25%? They'll give a car loan, but because they're risk, They're a big risk. So if they can loan enough people at 22%, and if a third of them collapse, they made so much money, they still have their profits. So people that have bad credit who are paying 22% on a car, they're subsidizing everybody else with bad credit. Well, that's what we're doing in this country right now. This is unbelievable. So we have a real problem. So that is why. Now here's the other problem. The other problem is that when you have the 10-year Treasury interest going up, the 10-year yield Treasury, most people get this confused. There's the 10-year Treasury yield. That's an interest rate that you pay on your house, as I just said, and the interest rate that we pay on our national debt. That's huge, especially the national debt, because the more the interest rate goes up on the national debt, that creates a real problem for you and me and for people trying to find work, because we can't grow our economy. In other words, when we pay, I think the last one, I think we're almost up to $300 billion now, is that there's no money left for R&D, research and development. There's no money left to build roads and fix bridges. There's just no money left to do anything. So that's why you see our bridges and roads collapsing in disrepair, and we can't create jobs. So the more interest we have to pay, it destroys the economy, and that's why the economy can't get to 3%. Think about it. In 16 years, we can't get to 3%, yet they're telling us the economy's doing nicely. How stupid. All right, let's get back to making some money. We had a pretty good couple of days, and I wanted my video stock folks. Now, at Phil's Gang, we have a whole bunch of products. And under our umbrella with all these products, there's a program that I like a lot, which I call the video stock program that I put together for you. For the person who just hates the stock market, you don't trust the stock market. For the person who knows you're in trouble, you're not saving enough money for your retirement. But you're also saying, I don't have time. I just don't have time to be in the stock market. When I give my money to a broker or my 401k, I never make money. Well, I designed a program where it's a video program where I can give you 1 to 2, sometimes 3 stocks, and I do that stock every day for you. And then I give you special, then during the day, there's 3 times during the day, they're all set times that you come in and you have your mobile device, and let's say you're going to, well, here, let's do one we did, Micron Technology. Micron Technology, I told my gang back, it was right around February 14th, and today is February 23rd. And I said to them that the stock is looking pretty good. So here's what I want you to do. Let's go in and start buying right now, and we'll do it with a scout. That means a small amount of shares until we see stability coming in. What's stability mean? Stability means momentum. We see the institution, the big boys coming in and buying the stock. And then when I see the big boys come in, I said, okay, let it run. And now that was on the 14th. And then until the 20th. On the 20th, I said, okay, now let's add to our position. That was on the 20th. I'm sorry, that was on the, what's today's date? Today's the 23rd, yeah. Yeah, the 20th. I said, let's add to our position. We did. Now, today, the same thing. I said, let's add to our position. So now the stock, if they followed me in the video, the stock right now is up about 9%. So they got a 9% return. Let's say they got a 5% return because not everybody got in the same time. Isn't that nice? Now they're going to keep that 5%. They're not going to lose that 5% because I'm going to make sure they get out before it comes down, just like I did on the January 16th when I said the market was going to crash. So let's get out. So that's the beautiful thing about this program. And if you're busy and you hate the stock market, this is ideal for you. My video stock. Join my gang, philsgang.com. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Listen to what people are saying about philsgang.com.
I am up 5% right now, closer to 6.
I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
I have never made so much money in the stock market.
I'm up $28,000 since November.
No matter if the markets are up or down, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team put you on the path to making profits in the stock market.
This is Deb from Sarasota.
This is Bill from Miami, Florida.
This is Cora from Hawaii.
Hey, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would recommend Phil and Phil's Gang to anyone.
Join thousands of investors and start making profits in the stock market. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or sign up at philsgang.com. Again, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's philsgang.com.
Every single one of his medical bills, everything is just all taken care of.
We have phenomenal research, outstanding clinical care, and the generosity of public, which allow us to treat patients regardless of what it takes.
At St. Jude, families never receive a bill for treatment, travel, housing, or food, because the only thing a family should worry about is helping their child live.
Because of you.
Gracias a ti. Because of you.
There is St. Jude.
philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Here's why. If we don't get decent GDP growth out of this tax cut, we're going to get massive deficits. I'm not saying it's going to happen because I like tax cuts, but if I'm wrong, we're going to get massive deficits. Here's the problem with him touting the markets. When he started really touting the markets in January, we had massive retail inflows at the top. He cost some people some money. This is like not good stuff.
All right, that's Charlie Gasparino. Look, he's blaming the president. The president is costing people money because people got in at the top. Well, that's why you don't listen to CNBC. That's why you don't listen to Fox. That's why you don't listen to Payne. That's why you don't listen to Bulls and the Crappers on the weekend on Fox. You listen to me. And better than listen to me, do what I say. Just join my gang. Just join it for $39.95. And then under my umbrella of products, I have this one program. We have many programs, but this one program is called the Video Stock Program, where I do the actual investing. Now, you don't give me your money. Okay, you go online, and every day at the same time, I update the videos 3 times during the day. Now, when it's important, something happens, there's an event that happens on that stock, make that stock move like I did today, and I did yesterday, I'll do an alert. So if you're a mason, you're an air conditioning guy, you're fixing air conditioners, or we have a lot of truckers going from coast to coast. People are busy. They don't have time to look at a portfolio. They don't have time to study charts. They don't have time to even contact a broker. This is so easy. They go on their mobile device, go to Phil's Gang, go to my video stocks, pull it up, bang, there you had Micron Technology, bang, up 9%. Some got 5%, some got 4%, but here's the important thing. It's up, and they're going to get out in time. Whether they made 4%, 9%, 5%, that's not what's important. What's important, you got somebody looking at stock all day long for you. You don't have to worry about it. You go to bed at night, you don't have to worry about it. The same thing that happened when I said in January 16th, we're going to get a crash. I want all my gang members not only out, but now I want you to get ready to short the market. It's going to drop between January 16th and the second week of February. Let's be ready, and it did. Well, I do the same thing with individual stocks. And I'm not saying I'm right with every stock. Nobody can be right with every stock. But even on 5 transactions, the key is if you're wrong, you keep those cuts, you keep those losses so small, so tiny. So on the 3 that you make money, you cover those so fast, you're always making money. It's managing money is what I'm actually doing through a stock. So here's the number. Okay, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Join now, and from now to 5 o'clock, how's that? I'll throw in I'll let you have the video, the MV2 color-coded charts that I use for the video. You can have that free for a month, so you can watch it, and it shows you how I do it, and you can get that free. So from now to 5 o'clock, I'll shut it off at 5. If you got to be a gang member, join the gang, $39.95, and then start following me in the video stock group. And just like I did with Micron Technology, that is up now, 9. Let's use 5%. It's up 9%, but you're not going to believe me. So let's use 5%, okay? All right. And the important thing is it's not whether it's up 5 or 9 or 6%. The important thing is you go to bed at night, you can sleep, and you know you don't have to you're going to wake up and lose money. It's not how it works, okay? All right. So let me give you the number again. 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Call, get your free for a month, the MV2 color-coded chart that I use along with my video stocks. And it's a great program, and I'll ask you start making money. Please remember the kids at St. Jude, okay? Great program. All right, let's go. I want to talk also about that. One of the stocks that I've been watching has been GE. I don't watch GE, it's terrible. It's going, yeah, I love a stock that's beaten down, broken up. And I've been watching that every day for my gang in my video stock group. We're going to catch that because they're going to break up GE because it's worth more broken up. And we're going to catch that. We're going to be in there before anybody else. and we're going to catch that rally on that stock. So that's another nice thing, another nice reason to join Phil's gang, and then follow the video stock group. The video stock group, I think, is just a great idea, because how many people have ever said, "I'd love." I know when I go shopping tomorrow, I'll go shopping for my wife at Publix, and people come up to me, "I hear you all the time on the radio. I'd love to join you. I just don't have time. I just don't have time." I says, just join my gang and go to the video stock group. It's a video. Everybody has videos, how to do this, how to do that, video to do this, video to build the fence, how do you wax your car. Everybody's got videos. That's where I got my idea. I said, why not just do a video on one or two stocks? And if these people are making 5% on a stock, 8%, they'll love it. Most people just don't want to lose money. Well, now you're going to do better than that. So check it out. All right, let's get back to this here. So Mnuchin's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's doing. Trump will not make it another 4 years if he leaves Mnuchin on and Cohen on. They're destroying him. They're destroying him. For him to come out and make such a stupid statement that there's no connection between wages and inflation, you got to be out of your mind. That's the one thing that government watches all the time to connect the inflation. They always watch wages to see what the inflation is going to be. Are you out of your mind? And think about this. Think about this. Productivity is more important. As I said, productivity is key. We got to produce, but we're not producing enough. We're doing terrible. We're just doing so badly in producing stuff. And remember, in 2014, so I love it when they say how the economy's doing great. Here's what I love. I love when I hear this.
It's fantastic. I am as excited about this market, Maria, I got to tell you, and the economy. I think inflation is low. I think these tax cuts are going to be a big deal. I think.
Oh my God! What a bunch of lying! He wants to just get on the air again. He wants to get on the air again. It's just all lies. He think inflation low. Inflation's over 8%. It's probably double digit, but they won't tell you that. Inflation is awful. Inflation's a killer. It's killing us. Why do you think the stock market dropped down 2,000 points? In fact, here's what they're doing. They're raising interest rates on that 10-year treasury that's going to be hurting your house mortgage, and it's going to be killing you on everything. It's going to kill your job. It's going to kill your, you name it. It's going to crush the economy. They're putting up the 10% yield, that long-term yield. That's the rate at which, again, when we have to pay China back. We borrow so much money from China. When we pay them back, we have to pay them on that rate. And we keep moving the rate up and keep moving the rate to satisfy them, because our dollar's getting killed. And we pay them back in dollars, remember. You pay China back in dollars, and they're saying, you're not going to pay me back in those crappy dollars that are worth nothing. So you want to borrow again from me? Okay, because you're doing 1 point, your trade deficit is near $800 billion. So we'll loan you that. But you're going to have to give me more interest. If we loan you $800 billion, I don't want, your dollar's so weak. You pay me back in I want higher interest rates. What are you doing next? You need money? Oh, you screwed up. You gave all the big CEOs, you gave them all big discounts. Oh, I see. You dropped taxes for them. Oh, you thought they were going to take money and invest it back into their business, but now you're finding they're plowing it back in their own pockets through stock buybacks. So you're going to be short $1.4 trillion in your checking account at the end of the year? No problem. I'll loan you that. Mr. One Hung Low says, I'll loan you that. But you better give me more interest. See, here's the problem. Our dollar keeps getting weaker and weaker because we keep printing and printing to pay our bills. And then when we go borrow from China, they say, look at the dollar. You're killing your dollar. You're printing so much money, your dollar's worth nothing. The last time I went to get a bottle of milk, I only needed one piece of paper in my wallet. Now I need 4 pieces of paper. Are you nuts? I don't want your dollars. I want you raise interest rates. And now interest rates are killing the economy, choking us to death. We can't grow. So here's the other problem. Wages are all at the top. We're not producing anything, but worse, the wages are going to the very top people. The very top, the CEOs are making 331 times more than you, the worker, making 50 grand. And they're complaining about productivity. We dropped in productivity from 260,000 jobs a month in 2014 to 167,000 a month now. Are you nuts? Great economy? Where?
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared, not being in, They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Bill Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
How do you see the world? At Shriners Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike, breaking boards, hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with a prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passionate desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Our view is that most of our policies are going to create growth for the economy on the supply side. And so we think that we can get the 3% economic growth that we forecast without a big pickup in inflation.
That is such a lie. You're not going to hit 3%. You can't hit 3%. It's impossible to hit 3%. Not when you have this terrible inflation and productivity is dropping. You can't drop your productivity from 2.2% in 2014. When you get that kind of productivity, 2.2% a year, that means you're creating 260,000 jobs a month. Now that has dropped. We've dropped Okay, that was in 2000. Now we dropped. Here we are, 2018. Our productivity has dropped to 1.8%. And are you kidding? From 2.2%. So that means our jobs dropped from 260,000 a month down to 167,000 a month. And worse, our wages. It's costing. Our wages are more than when we. In other words, when we build a product, our wages are costing way too much to build that product. Just way too much. So what they have to do is one or two things. They have to pass that overpriced product because of the high wages, because they're not producing enough, onto us, the consumer. And the consumer says, no, my wages haven't gone up enough to go and buy that product I normally buy for $10. Now it's $15. So the economy gets hurt. See, that's what's going on, but nobody wants to talk about it. All they want to talk about is this.
The U.S. economy is set to boom.
Yeah, that's what they want to talk about. See, they don't want to talk about they don't want to talk about the truth. So now we have the lowest profit margins. So what are they going to do? They're going to export more jobs. So when your wages go up so much, and they have to pass those wages onto the product you're building. Let's say they build chairs. And so now they got to increase the chair price by 10% because your wages are so high because our productivity is down. We're not producing enough chairs per hour. So what do they do to get the price down? Well, they don't add on to the price of the chair. They know a person can't go and increase if you take a chair as $25 and you put the price on at $30, they know they're not going to sell many of them. So they're going to take your job and they export the job. Because now they can get somebody in China building that same chair for 22 cents an hour rather than paying you $18 an hour. So this is what's going on in our country. But I can't fix that. Let me tell you what I can fix between now and 5 o'clock. The other day, as I said, on February 14th, if you join my gang, $39.95, and right now, if you join right now before 5 o'clock, I'll also give you the MV2 color-coded chart, which I use to give me my buy and sell signals on this chart. So the buy signal that I got using this chart was February 14th. And then on February 20th, I got another signal on my chart that tells me to add to the position. We did. And then today, I got another signal on my chart to add again. So if you are part of my Phil's gang, but you like the video stock group, which is part of the umbrella, underneath the umbrella of all my products, they did very nicely. So some are up 8%, some are up 5%, but that's a beautiful thing. And I do that with each individual stock I pick, and I put it on its video. So you can be as busy as hell. It just takes you 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes. Now you're in there, you're going to want to know, okay, what do I do next? You just 3 times during the day. I do them the same time every day. And then if there's a special event going on with a stock, like today I wanted them to add on, I made a special alert. Alert pops up. They go, it takes 1 second to look at it, and they know exactly what to do. But the most important thing, they're going to know when to get out. They're going to know when to get out. When was the last time your advisor, the guy from your 401k, your pension fund, when's the last time he said to you, get out? Did he tell you to get out of the stock market on January 16th? It was going to correct? No, I did. So the point is that, look, all this terrible stuff is going on. But I can't fix it. You can't fix it. And if we dug up J.P. Morgan, he's second the motion. He can't fix it. And what we were sold, okay, from Trump, and he meant it. He wants to do it. He's a good man. And what he promised during his election was all changed when he brings in behind him trash, garbage from Wall Street. He brought it's like he went down to Wall Street early in the morning, picked up all the trash. And he brought it over to the White House and put it in the White House. If you go to the White House, there are probably trash bags sitting on these chairs and behind desks, all these trash bags. Because that's what these people are. See, Mnuchin, he's supposed to be a genius in the Treasury Secretary. This guy he doesn't even know what milk costs. He doesn't know what butter costs. I mean, this guy is worth like $150 million. He doesn't know. See, these guys don't know what we do. They don't know how we live. They have no feeling for us. So they're not going to do anything for this country that's going to help you or me. It's always going to help them and Wall Street. It's always been that way, hasn't it? So we got to help ourselves. And if you think you're going to live on Social Security, are you nuts? You're going to live on Social Security? Try it. It doesn't work. So and if you're behind the 8 ball because you really believed in 401ks, and your 401k, you're never going to make money in 401k because of the fees, well, get started now. And I'm going to, right now, here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, and up till 5 o'clock, about another hour, I will also give you for 30 days free my MV2 color-coded chart, which I get my signals of my buy and sell signals that I give to my video group, okay? All right, so again, $39.95, join the gang, and then you get that free for 30 days. All right, so we have, again, the biggest problem that's facing this country right now is that they keep saying how we're going to grow the economy. You heard that. We're not. Because 70% of our jobs created are non-productive service jobs. 70% are waitresses and bartenders and health providers. So when you hear these people on CNBC and you hear people like Charles Payne and Varney talk about, boy, our economy's looking good. Look at that. Jobs are going up. Look at that. Wages are going up. No, they're not. No, that's not true. The jobs are all bad jobs. Bartender, healthcare jobs, these wonderful people that we're blessed with that go into homes with seniors and they take care of them and they only pay them $15 an hour. That's the kind of jobs that are out there. And so, again, we are not growing. We are not growing. And because we have such terrible debt. And now what they're going to do to us, because our debt is so huge and we're printing so much money and we have to borrow so much money from China and they want higher interest rates, that's why the yield's going up, that is now going to force the short-term Fed rate. They're going to have to move those up. And they said they're going to move them up 4 times. That means the interest on your credit cards, your auto loans, your student loans, your equity loans, your house loan, whatever loan, snowmobile loan, whatever. Those loans are going to go up, but your wages aren't going up. So that means the bank stocks are going to start collapsing. The bank stocks are going to start going down. And we'll be there. If you're part of my gang, we'll be there when those stars start breaking. We'll be there and we'll short them. But think about this. Doesn't it make sense? First, they put all the interest rates up on your house, your 30-year fixed rate mortgage. And then remember, it's not just that. When we have to increase the rate on our national debt, and we have to go from $250 billion a year to $300 billion a year. You say, well, that doesn't affect me. Yes, it does. It affects everything. Anything, your shirts, your clothing, you go to the prescription drugs to get your drugs. You get costs go up on everything, but it's hidden. It's a hidden tax. You don't see it. Go to the movies. Movies are higher. Popcorn's higher. That's what's terrible about raising the 10-year Treasury yield up. Because then what happens is, when they go to pay it back, your dollar goes down and you're paying even more. So small businesses are getting whacked. They are getting whacked so hard because of what's going on. And small businesses are the backbone of our economy. You own a small business. You're getting hurt. You go to try to borrow money from a bank to borrow money for inventory. Can't do it. Or they want too much interest. You can't do it. Payrolls are going up. You got to go finance. You got to want to finance your payroll. You can't get it, or if you go to finance, it's too high because the government's borrowing too much money. And when they borrow too much money, it elbows the small businessman out. Do you know that when the government borrows all this money, then you go in as a small business. You own a dry cleaning plant. You want to buy some new equipment, $100,000. You go into the bank. You want a loan. You say, wait a minute, the interest rates are way up since the last time. Well, yeah. Well, the banks, the governments are always borrowing. And the government's getting deeper and deeper in debt. You can't win. You can't win. He's got bad people around him. So here's where you win. Try to win in the stock market. Try it my way. Go to philsgang.com right now or call 877-600-GANG, $39.95, and get your free color-coded chart, the one I get my signals on, the same chart that told me the market was going to crash. You get that free for 30 days. Call now. It's over at 5 o'clock. The offer's done at 5.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.